peel, spread, layer. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 30 cooking verbs in English in 3 minutes. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. Let's start the lesson. Great. Peel, slice, chop, break, spread, layer, stir, mix, dice, melt, pour, sieve, knead, roll out, flip, stew, fry, grill, season, mince, steam, roast, decorate, add, mash, squeeze, bake, boil,